Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK. Reluctantly, cause most of this press don't fuck with me. The style one said, tell me cool down, don't act a fool now.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ari. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome back to my YouTube. Today's video, I'm going to be installing this 26-inch middle part wig. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video and stay tuned for the next one. Okay guys, so I'm starting off with my bald cap already on, and I'm just gonna go in with some Got2b spray, and I'm just gonna spray my first thin layer of spray around the cap, and I'm just gonna spread it out with my fingers. Afterwards, I'm just going to go with my blow dryer, and I'm just going to spray the perimeter of the wig cap to make sure that the spray is dry. I'm going to say, you guys, take your time with this step because I feel like the wig cap is probably the most important part. It really lays a foundation for your wig installation. After that layer of spray has dried, I'm just going to go on my scissors and I'm just going to cut some small air tabs on both sides. Afterwards, I'm just going to go in with some Got2b spray, and I'm just going to spray a little bit more spray around the ear tab so the wig cap is fully on the sides of my ears and not lifted. After that step is complete, I'm going to go in with some more of the Got2b spray, and I'm just going to spray one last layer around my wig cap, and then I'm going to blow dry. And you'll know your wig cap is dry when you press on it and there's no stickiness. Next, I'm just going to go in with some of my ARIELALEXIS Pro Concealer, and I'm just going to tint my wig cap a little bit more. Once I finish tinting my wig cap, I'm just going to go on my scissors and I'm going to trim the cap. You want to make sure when you cut your wig cap that you're pulling on it as well as cutting, so it cuts as close to your skin as possible. As you can see here, y'all, I'm pulling on it as well as cutting it, so it cuts very close to my skin. Now I'm going to apply my first thin layer of glue, making sure to spread it out very thin, and then I'm going to blow dry. Afterwards, I'm just going to go on my second layer of glue. I'm going to add those dots around the perimeter, and then I'm going to make sure to spread the glue out very thin. And then, as always, I'm going to blow dry until clear. While that glue is still drying, I'm just going to go in and I'm just going to tint my wig with the same ARIELALEXIS Pro Concealer so that it looks like this. Now for the wig placement, I'm just going to start off by gluing the middle first. That's the most important part. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue the sides as well. Afterwards, I'm just going to go in with the comb and then brush all it back to make sure that the lace is fully stuck on my head. Next, I'm going to go in with some spritz, and I'm going to spray it on my finger to help with product distribution, and I'm just going to apply it all around the lace. And then making sure to put my wig band on afterwards. Next, I'm just going to go in and start blow drying my hair on the high hot setting. I'm doing this just to get my hair as straight as possible before I flat iron. This is another step, again, you want to take your time with. And this is what the hair looked like after blow drying. Next, I'm going to section off the front part of my hair, which I'm going to hot comb. Just creating a small section, not too big. And then I'm going to go in with the Edge Booster wax stick, and I'm just going to apply it and then begin hot combing. Y'all, this is how you get your middle part bust down flat. You're just going to want to work in small sections, making sure to add wax stick to every single section. Literally don't skip no section. Do not skip no section. In addition, when you're hot combing, you want to make sure you're not really using the teeth. I know it's a comb, but you want to make sure that you're using the flat part of the hot comb because that's what's pressing your hair down to make it flat. So I'm just going to go ahead and hot comb the rest of my hair, and I'll come back when it's completed. After hot combing, I'm gonna start with my edges. I'm just gonna go ahead and comb them out. And then I'm gonna take this mini flat iron and then curl them upward. And I'm curling it upward because it helps the hair lay into one direction, so I'm not fighting with the edges to lay in one direction. After curling, I'm just gonna go in with a tad bit of edge booster, and then I'm gonna begin swooping my edges. Y'all see how it's automatically forming? Make sure to curl your edges upward. It helps save so much time. After, I'm gonna go in with this Kiss powder foundation, and I'm just gonna apply it all around my lace. This, you guys, you want to make sure you're not rubbing it in, you're patting it in so it doesn't lift up your lace. Next, I'm just gonna apply it around my edges as well, so it creates the illusion that it's coming out of my scalp. Afterwards, I'm just gonna apply my wig band. Next, you guys, I'm going to begin flat ironing my hair, and I'm going to be using the tracking method with a comb to ensure that it's straight. Again, I'm going to make a small section, and then I'm just going to use the comb along with the flat iron to make sure that the hair is straight. Now that I've done it a few times, I'm just going to flat iron the rest of my hair, and I'll come back when I'm done. And this is what my hair looks like when I flat iron one half, you guys. I just went ahead and flat ironed the other side off camera. So this is the final result. I really loved how it turned out. Usually I don't do straight hair and I don't do middle parts, but this turned out super cute, you guys. Get into the lace. Come on. Really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you guys stay tuned for the next one. Bye.